Puzzle. Money. Knit. To fight. To defend. Quiet. To take part. Competition. Folk. To be sick. To do something. To work hard.
Hi, my name is Marya. I am 11 years old. I come from Rome. I draw pictures. I make greeting cards and posters for my friends. Sometimes I draw pictures about English stories after reading them. Drawing's fun, but I need an interesting topic to draw and quiet place for the work. Hi, my name is Tom. I am 12 years old. I live in Madrid. I like doing karate after school. I learn how to fight and defend myself. It's fun. On summer holidays, I go to a karate camp. Every year there is a karate competition in Madrid. Last year I took part in the competition and won a gold medal. The only problem with karate is that you work hard and you get tired.
Hi, I'm Roberto. I'm 11 years old. I come from Brazil. I don't like sport very much and I'm not very good at it. I like music. My hobby is playing the guitar and I play at concerts. The only problem is that my older brother plays the guitar too and we have only one guitar in the house. Last month, a famous pop singer came to Brazil. I went to the concert with my brother. It was cool. Hi, my name is Nichkhun. I'm 12 years old and I live in Azerbaijan. I love dancing. It's my favorite hobby. I like ballet and folk dancing. I go dancing. At the end of the year, we had a show. Everybody enjoyed that show. Dancing takes a lot of time. I don't have enough time to go to a dancing class because I have a lot of homework to do. There is no dancing studio near my house. That's my big problem.